What are you doing there, Basil?
I'm going to make some patties. You like wallaby patties?
I haven't tasted any yet, but looks like I might get a chance.
Yeah, that's all you'll get up here. You'll eat them or go hungry. Ah, they're good tugger.
Basil, what else do you eat apart from wallaby meat? Any other meat at all?
Wallaby and wallaby again, and then the next time around you have wallaby again. But different ways. All different. You can cook it all different ways. I never ever get sick of wallaby, and when I go home, we always have some home in the freezer and that, and when I go home after I've been home about a month, I get real wallaby hungry, and the wife's got to cook up a couple of feeds of patties first to satisfy my appetite again.
Why is that, do you think? Isn't anything else as good as wallaby?
Oh, I don't reckon there is. No. You'll probably say that when you have a feed of these too. I've had a lot of people come to the huts and that, and they'll, you know, they're perhaps some of the walking clubs or something, and you live on wallaby all the time, they'll say, and they'll sort of turn their nose up and that. And I say, yeah, would you like a patty? I've got some there. I might just try one, and they'll have one. Oh, gee, they're beautiful, they say, aren't they? Well, how do you make them? And, oh, I say, it's just cooked in the camp oven. What does it?